థియేటర్కి పర్లేదు.
ఓకే వంశీ గారు, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. అండ్ ఇప్పుడు డైరెక్టర్ నాగశ్విన్ గారిని మాట్లాడవలసిందిగా రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము. నాగశ్విన్ గారు.
హలో. హాయ్ అండి. సో చెన్నైలో ఉండే, ఐ వాజ్ దేర్ ఫర్ సమ్ వర్క్ అండ్ no, I was there for Kirti's wedding also, and then Kalyani told me she's doing a small film in Malayalam which is a little bit like a horror thing, and then now we just have this 101 crore poster here and it's like the biggest thing in the country. But again I was in Chennai and there was some work and I went first day to Mayajal to ECR to watch this movie, first day first show in Chennai. And literally it was just me watching it in Malayalam. So that's how excited I was for this movie. And to the whole team, you know, name by name, I think amazing job guys. Dominic, amazing, great writing, it's amazing. And I just have to say, cast, I think you guys are going to get more than enough love. I think the technical department is where the biggest budget of this movie is. It's, I mean, Nimish and Jake's like amazing, man. It's just beautiful. Oh yeah, because yeah, it's going to be a video of my head, but yeah. So yeah, I think it's amazing. I think it's beautiful that this movie's come out and it's worked and it looks so good, and I'm fully seated for the entire experience. I have one question for Dominic. I think was Dominic. There's this guy in the apartment, who's sleeping there on the couch. Like, does he have a spin-off? Like, he should have a spin-off. I think he's my favorite character. He's not here, but I think he's my favorite character. So and yeah, everything's beautiful. I think all of us are here so that the Telugu audience are going to it reaches more of the Telugu audience, and I'm just saying, don't worry, the Telugu audience are going to love it. They already are loving it. They're going to love it more and more because it's such a beautiful film. And I'm just very, very excited because for the first time I get to ask this question, when is part 2?
And we get to ask the same question to you. When is part 2?
Hey, punch naadunte last bond.
Okay, manam planets.
I know. I had one part which was left over where I was talking about, where I was going to talk about how whenever people ask me about like how is the experience working with Dulquer, I say there was literally nobody, and we literally tried also, there's literally nobody in the country who would want to believe of one film old director to make Mahanati in a film that was titled Mahanati with Kirti, and there was no reason for him to do it, and he did it purely because he loved the film and he loves film. And he just wanted that story to be made. And I think that is the same love for this, for him to spend 30 odd crores for a Malayalam film, a female-led superhero film. Now it's all fine, but it is a big risk, and he did it purely because he loves film. I know that because, because I'm one of the beneficiaries of his trust. Thank you, Dulquer.
Thank you so much, Nagashwin garu. And as Ashwin garu rightly put it, మన దుల్కర్ గారి చాయిస్ ఆఫ్ ఫిల్మ్స్ కూడా మనం చూసినట్టయితే ఒక